Hi guys, welcome back to 123myIT. Today we're checking out the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. We will also show you the S26 Plus silicone magnet case and the Samsung wireless battery pack. Let's get it out of the box and see what you get. In terms of hardware, you've got a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a smooth high refresh rate, so scrolling and video should look really sharp. Inside, it's powered by Samsung's latest flagship chip, either the Snapdragon or Exynos depending on your region, paired with a 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. And the colour that we have here today is the sky blue colour. Inside the box you have the Samsung Care, Quick Start Guide and warranty information. Next up in the box you have the USB-C to USB-C cable, the SIM card eject tool, and that's it. No charger in the box, which is pretty standard these days. Now let's talk about protection. This is the official silicone magnet case in light blue. It's got that signature soft touch feel, but the big news is the integrated magnet ring inside. It aligns perfectly with the S26 Plus charging coil, making it compatible with a whole new range of snap-on accessories. And this is the must-have, the new 10,000 mAh wireless battery pack. Samsung has upgraded this to a 25 watt super fast charging. So that's 25 watts when you plug a device into the USB-C ports, and 7.5 watts when you charge a device on the wireless charging. And the helpful indicator lights will tell you how much charge you have in the battery pack. On the right hand side you have the sleep wake power button, along with the volume down and up buttons. And if you check out the bottom, we have the SIM card port and the microphone pinhole, a USB-C charging port, and one of the stereo speakers. Talking about the speakers, let's have a listen. Speakers have come a long way since the early days of mobile phones.
What did you steal?
Secrets. The data they paid me to protect.
Are they people?
No.
On the front we have the 12 megapixel selfie camera, which features an f2.2 aperture with dual pixel autofocus. It supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. On the back of the phone we have a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main wide angle camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera. The rear setup is powered by the new Pro Visual engine for improved low light nightography and AI driven enhancements. Let's go ahead and test the gaming performance with the game Asphalt 8. Let's check out the benchmark scores. The single core score is 3005, The multi-core score is 10,518. And if we tap on the single core score, it beats the Samsung S25 Ultra Snapdragon CPU. And if we scroll down further, you can see that it beats the older phones quite easy. So you can make an upgrade decision based off these stats. Let's run the Geekbench GPU benchmark and see what we come up with. Alright, so the GPU benchmark result is 24,331. And let's go ahead and have a look at the compute comparison with other models here so you can gauge whether you are due for an upgrade or whether you stick with your current model. In terms of battery life on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, you're getting a 4900 milliamp hour battery, which is just under the Ultra, so expectations are high. In real world use, it averages around 7 hours of on-screen time, which is basically the average for a flagship. For lighter use, it can last a full day, even till the next afternoon, but heavy users will probably need an evening top-up. Streaming video, Samsung claims up to 31 hours of playback, which is solid on paper. Charging is decent too, with a 45 watt wired gets you roughly 65 to 70% in 30 minutes. Bottom line, it's a good battery, just not like class leading. And here's the Samsung 10,000 milliamp hour wireless battery pack, and the battery stats you actually care about. You're getting a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, which is enough for about 1.5 to 2 full phone charges depending on your device. It supports 25 watts wired fast charging, so you can quickly top up the single phone at full speed. Wireless charging is slower at 7.5 watts, but it's super convenient for those quick top ups on the go. You can also charge up to 3 devices at once, 2 wired and 1 wireless. Samsung versus Google. Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus versus the Google Pixel 10a. Which one actually wins? The S26 Plus is the premium pick. Bigger display, smoother 120Hz, and way more power for gaming and multitasking. The Pixel 10a, it's the budget king. You still get the clean Android, great optimization, and that signature pixel camera processing. Cameras are where it gets interesting. The Samsung gives you more lenses and flexibility, but the Pixel usually wins for point and shoot photos, especially in low light. So here's the deal. If you want power, premium feel and features, go for the S26 Plus. If you want value, simplicity and a great camera, go for the Pixel 10a. Guys, as always, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.